Hi, my name's Andrew and this is my 2013 YZ450F. I've had this bike for 3 years. Bought it off the original owner. It was very low hours when I got it, and I really only rode it for about a year, and it's been basically garaged the last 2. When I got the bike, it came with several accessories on it. Folding brake pedal, Sunline blue anodized folding levers. It's got Cycra handguards attached to it. Also has a GPR steering stabilizer that has 8 levels of stabilization. 1 is about no feedback, where 8 makes the steering very stiff. Really aids in high-speed rough terrain. I've added to the bike a tubeless tire setup in both the front and the rear. So it has a small inner tube that clamps on the inside between the tire and the rim that kind of acts like a rim lock, and then you can inflate the outer portion between the tube and the outside of the tire. You can run those tires as low as between 2 and 5 psi. About 8 is normal running temperature, and it really allows the tire to flatten out for good traction in mud. On the back is a Geomax Dunlop AT81 reinforced construction tire, so it's reinforced with Kevlar. Really holds up great in rock and hard terrain, but it gets great traction in the mud and soft terrain as well. It's got a Renthal Gold O-ring chain with, I believe, JT steel sprockets. I went up a tooth in the rear sprocket to reduce the gearing a little bit and lower your first gear speed, first and second gear primarily. I also added a heavyweight GYTR Yamaha flywheel to it. Helps you keep your momentum up in low speed situations as well. It's got a oversized IMS gas tank. I believe that's a 2.4 gallon. ODI Rogue grips that are extra soft and squishy, really take some of the vibration out, help reduce the arm pump on a long ride, with the Cycra bark busters up there to keep your hands safe. Up at the front of the bike, down on the tire, tubeless setup in the front as well. Again, allows you to squish that tire down a little better and get more of those knobs on the ground. Added seal savers, fork guards to help keep mud and dirt from getting past those fork seals and causing you leaks. Also have Moose Racing radiator braces, give you a little extra strength in the event you lay it down and keep everything straight. There's also some Flow pre-air filter air intake duct filters. And down on the bottom here, Moose Racing aluminum skid plate, helps keep the bottom of the bike safe for off-road. I also have the original YZ small gas tank and the original plastic skid plate if you wanted to take the bike back to its motocross roots and lighten it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and fire the bike up now, so let me plop it off the stand here. We're going to go ahead and pull the start lever out to put the electronic fuel injection in start mode. It takes about 3 kicks to get the stator charged up for the EFI.